Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. So guys, many people they are asking me how they can enable this side screen edge panel for the split screen and multitasking features. So for example, I put it over here, this internet, so I can have this split screen option. So what you have to do to enable this side screen, first of all you have to go into the settings. Okay, so I will go into the settings option, and then here you will see an option which is called display. Okay, so go to the display option. So once you enter into the display option, you just have to see this option over here. It's called edge panels. So you can see over here this edge panels options, you just select it. Okay, so once you select it, you will see an option, if it is off. Okay, so you have to turn it on. Okay, so once it is on, you can use it. The second thing is for the panels app. So once you select it, it will take you to the different options over here. So you can select any of these options. For example, you can select this live messages, people, smart select, task, weather, tools, reminder, clipboard. So I select all of these options, so you can also select them. And then if you want to change the position of the handle, you can also do it. So just select this handle option, and once you select it, you will see this arrow over here. So you can change the position of the handle. Okay, you can make it down or up. Okay, and you can also make it to the other side of the screen. For example, if I want to make it to the left, so I just select this left option, so this panel will be here. Okay, but I like it on the right, so I will make it on the right. Okay, and then we have the lock handle position. You can enable it if you want. Then we have different colors option, transparency and size options as well. So everything is perfectly fine. Now we already turn it on, the edge panels. Okay, so now we will go back and then we will try to use it. So for example, I open the Samsung Notes and then I open the edge panels. Okay, so you can see over here, if you want to edit these apps, if you don't want to use these apps and you want to add some other apps, you can easily do it. Simply just go, you see this pen sign, just select it and it will show you all the apps available into your tablet. Okay, so these all apps available. Now simply if you want to remove these apps, just select this minus sign. Okay, for example, I want to remove this app and this app and this app, so it will remove. And now if I want to add some apps into this edge panel, I just simply click on those apps and it will automatically add into the edge panels. Okay, so for example, like this one. Okay, and like this one, so I add these apps. Okay, so now it is available into my edge panel. So I will show you again. So once I open it, okay, it will come over here, so you can see. Okay, the next thing, if you want to you want to change this and you want to go to the other options, you just simply scroll them. So for example, like this is live messages. Okay, again I scroll, it will take you to the smart select option, you can see. And then we have this different options about different tasks. Okay, and then we have a tally counter. Okay, if you want to use this one, and if you want to edit them, you can also edit these options. Just simply go into this settings button, just select it and it will show you all the options. For example, if you want to add people or weather, you can also add. Okay, so these all options available into your panel, and then simply you can just scroll them. I will show you. Just go back and then take it out, and then simply you can just simply scroll them to have all the options available. You can see over here. The next thing that I want to show you is, for example, now you want to use as a split screen. Okay, so I open one app, then I open the edge panel. Okay, then I open the internet. Okay, so I will put it over here. Okay, so you can see over here, this is in the split screen mode, everything is working fine. Okay, then I will open again this edge panel. Okay, and then if you want to use some other app, for example, I want to use this app, so I will put it down here. So all these three apps are in a multitasking mode, in the split screen mode, so I can use all of these apps together. Okay, so you can see over here. So this is for today's video. I hope you like the video, I hope you enjoyed the video. So please do subscribe to my channel guys. Thank you very much.